Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming essential prerequisites. Windows 10 fully updated and both devices on the same private Wi-Fi. Open Settings, go System then Display and click Connect to a wireless display. This starts discovery. Once your cast device appears, select it. If asked, approve the connection on the receiver. You do this now because discovery and pairing are the foundation. Without them, nothing else will work, so don't skip these steps and verify network type first. Once paired but unstable, focus on network and drivers. Restart the router and your PC to clear transient faults, and switch to 5 GHz for lower interference when possible. Next, update Wi-Fi and GPU drivers in Device Manager or the vendor updater so encoding and mirroring are supported. Make sure VPNs are off, the connection isn't metered, and network isolation, guest mode, is disabled. These block discovery and streaming. These steps fix most midstream. To complete, set display scaling and resolution to match the cast device for smooth playback. Then test by playing a short video or mirroring the desktop. If issues persist, run the Windows Network troubleshooter, toggle the wireless adapter off and try another HDMI or receiver input. If nothing works, reboot the cast device, and only as a last resort, perform a factory reset after saving settings. Tip: note error messages and logs before resetting so you can reverse any unintended changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.